Last week, we talked about an early draft from the Ohio Department of Education about what it may look like for kids in grades K through 12 when in-person classes resume. That proposal included masks for students and teachers and social distancing.
And now the state is asking parents what they think should happen. News 5's Meg Shaw explains.
For a lot of parents, sending their kids back to the classroom in the fall logistically sounds good. They wouldn't have to worry about childcare or if their kid is falling behind in an area in the classroom. But sending them back safely is still in question. So the Department of Education asked parents over the weekend as part of an online survey 3 open-ended questions, including what are your main questions? Will you send your child to school if they reopen in the fall? And will you send your child to school if masks are mandated? Many health experts say kids aren't at a high risk of getting the virus, but they can get it, show no symptoms, and spread it. So state leaders fear if schools reopen in the fall, the spread could shut them down again. As of now, masks are currently part of the school reopening plan, but a lot of that plan is still being worked on.
What I've asked the schools to do is to assume they're going back, but to come up with all kinds of alternatives.
Governor Mike DeWine says finding a plan that allows for social distancing and keeping kids safe is what's important.
How do you do things in regard to when kids go to the cafeteria, when younger kids may go to a playground, all of those things, what is trying to follow the best health guidance and come up with very specific plans that are unique to your school, but are guided by the local health department and guided by health guidance.
The results of that online survey will be shared with the Department of Education today. It's not clear if those will be shared with the public. If they are, of course, we will share them with you. For News 5, I'm Meg Shaw.